In this video, I'll be giving my honest review on Easy Ads. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to understand everything you need to know about Easy Ads, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So to start with, what actually is Easy Ads? Easy Ads is a Shopify app that automates the process of creating and running Facebook ad campaigns. It helps businesses save time and money, and it also helps to increase sales by using AI to target the right audience and create high-performing ads. So what are some of the top features that Easy Ads offers? It focuses on automation and AI-powered tools to simplify Facebook ad creation for your Shopify store. So in terms of simplified ad creation, one of the things they offer is the done-for-you templates. They provide pre-built campaign templates that include audience targeting, ad creatives, and also ad copy. This will save you significant time in setting up your campaigns. They also have AI-powered ad building. This app uses your product information and your existing images to automatically create ad creatives. Another thing they offer is audience targeting. And the first way they do this is via the AI-powered targeting tool. This leverages AI to identify audiences most likely to be interested in your product. From there, it will then start retargeting. It will automatically retarget website visitors who've shown interest in your product. And finally, they have campaign management and optimization features. And one of the ways they do this is via the AI budget optimization tool. This uses AI to automatically adjust your ad budget, and it makes sure that it runs for optimal performance. So now onto the pricing. As you can see here, it's currently $29.95, and they're actually giving you a 30% off deal at the moment. This gives you unlimited products, hourly product feed syncing, automatic campaign setup, advertising strategy setup, as well as AI ad optimization. However, one of the good things about this is they also offer a free trial, so this is a great way to try it out for yourself, and it gives you an idea of whether you want to actually continue paying for the subscription after the free trial ends. If you tried this out and you found that it was really beneficial for your business, it would probably be a good idea to continue the subscription. So what are some of the pros and cons of using Easy Ads? To start with, the ease of use. Easy Ads is designed to be user-friendly, especially for those new to Facebook advertising. The pre-built templates and automated features make campaign setup a breeze. There's also AI-powered features. It uses AI to streamline processes such as audience targeting and also ad creation, and this will save you tons of time and effort. By using all these tools, you're likely to see increased traffic and conversions, although results can vary based on your specific product and your target market. So what about some of the cons of Easy Ads? To start with, there's limited customization. While the templates do offer a good starting point, you might find them too rigid with limited control over ad design and highly specific targeting options. As well as that, there could be uncertain AI performance. The effectiveness of the AI features like ad building and targeting can be inconsistent. For complex products or niches, manual adjustments are likely needed. And finally, some people might find it too expensive, and that's because subscription fees can add up. However, if you are using this service and it's helping generate money for your business, then I don't think the cost is a concern. So in conclusion, Easy Ads aims to streamline Facebook advertisement for Shopify stores. It offers pre-built templates, AI-powered targeting, and automated campaign management, all designed to be user-friendly and save you time. But is it the right fit for you? Its user-friendly interface and step-by-step guidance make launching Facebook ad campaigns a breeze. However, there are some downsides to consider. The templates might feel a bit too restrictive for experienced users who crave more control over their ad design. And while this might work well for broad categories, complex products or niches might require some manual adjustment. So if you're new to Facebook advertisement and value user-friendliness with automation features, Easy Ads could be a great starting point, especially if you have a general product category and a broader audience in mind. However, if you're an experienced advertiser who thrives on granular control, or if your product caters to a very specific niche, Easy Ads might not offer the level of customization that you need. I recommend that you head over to Easy Ads website and test out their free trial just to see if you like it and to see how well it works with your business. If you decide that it is good for you and your business, you can decide to continue the subscription after the free trial ends. But other than that, this has been my review on Easy Ads. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.